2020 National Electrical Code, specifically Section 555.19 Bone, Exception No. 2, provides an allowance for using HCF cable for emergency power-only receptacles in Group B occupancies. Group B occupancies are defined as buildings used for assembly and include venues such as theatres, auditoriums, and gymnasiums. It is important to understand the conditions under which HCF cable can be used. Firstly, the HCF cable must be installed in a raceway, or it must be concealed within the hollow spaces of a building. Secondly, the cable must be secured to prevent damage from swaying or vibration. Thirdly, the cable must be protected from physical damage by other cables, pipes, or equipment. Utilizing HCF cable offers certain practical advantages compared to non-flexible metal conduit or Type MI cable. HCF cable is generally easier to install, requiring less specialized tools and expertise. The flexibility of HCF cable allows for simpler routing through complex building structures. This ease of installation and flexibility can translate to significant savings in both time and labor costs. The non-flexible metal conduit and Type MI cable are traditionally favored for their superior mechanical protection. HCF cable provides a degree of mechanical protection, but it does not match the robustness of rigid metal conduit. The NEC makes a distinction, accepting HCF cable's level of protection as sufficient for emergency receptacles in Group B occupancies due to a recognized reduced risk of damage in these specific applications. While the general rules for mechanical protection of branch conductors are typically stringent, the exception acknowledges the specific circumstances of emergency receptacles in assembly occupancies. The determination that HCF cable is acceptable is based on the understanding that these receptacles are less likely to be subjected to the same level of physical stress and potential damage as other electrical components in different types of environments. The exception in NEC 555.19 Burn, Exception No. 2 permits the use of HCF cable for emergency power-only receptacles in Group B occupancies so long as the installation adheres to the conditions for use of HCF cable. These conditions include installing the HCF cable in a raceway or concealing it within the building's hollow spaces, securing the cable to prevent damage from swaying or vibration, and protecting it from physical damage by other cables, pipes, or equipment.